Many times clients ask me what it is that they can do in order to get their thoughts more into the present. Often they spend a lot of time and energy recalling information from the past and anticipating information from the future. It's like rumination from the past and worry in the future. What I'd like to do today is spend the next 7 minutes or so with you practicing what's increasingly known as mindfulness in the mental health community, and it's sweeping the nation actually. This method would be helpful in looking at your brain as if you can use your mind to train it. What I mean by using your mind to train it is your brain is functioning pretty much automatically, but the way you think about things is a function of your mind. So today we're going to use the mind in order to train the brain to do something different. In essence, over the time of practicing this today, and then you practicing it several times a day for several weeks, and keeping a journal of doing so, you'll begin to create a new pathway in the mind, such that the thinking will be increasingly more in the present. This method is helpful for people with anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, even helpful in relationships, and in managing stress itself. It's a way of improving your self-talk as well. I'm not diagnosing anybody. This is a video posted online. It's for free, and it's just to give you an idea of one of the ways you can begin to make changes in your life right now. So here we go. I'd like you to take a minute and close your eyes. Just think about your body for a moment. Notice the darkness behind the eyelids as you've closed your eyes, and notice your body. Pay attention to your breathing, your heart, your lungs, how you're sitting. Just be. Be aware of now. The awareness is not about work. It's not about play. It's not about sleep or burdens or money or sex or joys. All important enough. It's an awareness that's about you just looking inward. Take a minute and think about just you. Set aside all that is a part of your thinking that maybe is in the way, just for this moment. For example, when you see the work, the bills, the money, the love, the sex, whether it's too much or too little isn't important for now. Just give it a high five and set it to the side. Visually, you can place it on a shelf to get back to later. And then, again, go back to paying attention to just you, just yourself. Now let's begin paying attention to certain parts of the body. Let's focus first on the heart. You can thank your heart for doing what your mind does not. Beating as it does, sending about the magical bonds of your thriving. Look closer at it, pay attention, listen more carefully to it, and there it is. Bump, 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 bump. It does what it does without any help from the brain at all. A heart like that has to be wise. Thank your heart. Just say thank you to your heart and listen again. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Now, thank your mind for doing what your heart cannot. See its firings, its messages, its electronic currents, its energy. It's smart in acquisition, with or without any input at all from the heart. Your mind and your brain are keeping you safe, finding ways to keep you well. Look closer at it, its curiosities, its dreams. Think about its left and right spheres, energy going from one side to the other side, left and right magical connections, and better yet, cures. A mind like that has to be intelligent. Thank your mind. Think of the energy going left and right, zoom, 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 zoom. Just a word for visualizing the neurological energy. And again, just thank your mind. Thank your lungs. Breathing in what only oxygen can add, and breathing out only what carbons can take. Inhale and take the air about you in. It's full of energy, it's full of life. Exhale when you're ready. There's dust, there's odor, there's scent, there's maybe pheromones. There's life in breathing. So just breathe. Take it in slowly, paying attention, and now letting it out slowly and paying attention. Lungs like these can only be filling. Thank your lungs. Again, one more inhale and exhale. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Stay right here and watch and listen and see. Now, tell yourself these words. I accept me just as I am. I approve of me just as I am. I accept me for what I did. I approve of me for doing the best I could. I will accept me tomorrow. I will approve of me tomorrow. One more inhale and exhale. Go ahead. And now open your eyes. And a comment. Today as you live, always look up. Looking up is not about the heavens. It's about moving onward and upward. It's not mystical, it's hope. Know too that it's perfectly okay to look down as you weep. Sadness is not shame, it's care. So care away. And because your place is in this world, look straight ahead, assuredly, with certainty, as you well know. And so as you look inward, lovingly, you heal. As you love the curative agents to every place that makes you you, it is here that you will see. And that's it. Practice this for several times a day. Maybe put a post-it note in places that you have to run into the post-it note, where you put on makeup or where you get clothes, socks, underwear, maybe by the door where you grab a case or a backpack or something like that. And just take these 7 or 8 minutes or so and do this 3 times a day. Journal about it in the server that I use at talkifyouwant.com. You can do journaling in private. And you could keep a log there of how many times you've done this meditation, this mindfulness, this sort of inward self-thinking, and this high five of acceptance and approval. And in a short matter of time, you will see that your mood has improved, your thinking is quieted, and possibly you will apply it to other areas of your life, being more in tune with other things. Maybe your job, maybe your lover, maybe your car, maybe the color of the flowers, something like that. At any rate, please check me out at talkifyouwant.com, and I look forward to meeting you. Thanks for stopping by.